Hey man, Lil Tech. I'ma keep it brief, man. I just got a few questions I need answers, so be real. I'ma need for you to do for me like I do for you, you feel me? Just keep it 100 with me. Huh?
If I lost it all today, would you stay or walk away? What if I lost it all? Would you still call? What if I fell off? What if I dropped the ball? Would you still be around? If I lost it all today, would you stay or walk away? What if I lost it all? Would you still call? What if I fell off? What if I dropped the ball? Would you still be around? Would you still be down, or would you stop even coming around? Say you believe, but that wasn't my question. Close your mouth. In the discussion, skip a line, cause I see that you're blind. Participating while you waiting in line. Gotta get it, cause it wasn't handed. Making moves, why they take me for granted? Haters gon' hate, gon' let them hate. Counting them hundreds all in their face. Big face ballin' out of big faces. Driving this thing in them turtle races. Would you be down if I didn't make it? Would you be down if I had to fake it? Would you be down if it wasn't groovy? Would you be down if it wasn't gravy? I don't know, what should I do? No trust gang, no trust no. One thing about me, I ain't a fool. Cause my mama ain't raised a fool. Look, I know that it's in me, we told this in me. We gotta keep busy, pop out of the city and shot with that glizzy. I bout to that glizzy load up. You clip and be going in the jiffy. If I lost it all today, would you stay or walk away? What if I lost it all? Would you still call? What if I fell off? What if I dropped the ball? Would you still be around? If I lost it all today, would you stay or walk away? What if I lost it all? Would you still call? What if I fell off? What if I dropped the ball? Would you still be around? If I lost it
Girl, if I call, we still drop them and over your mouth. You know you my dog. So we gon' sell to this and yes to the squad and tell them it's on. Two aunties just went to the car lot and bought 2 cars home. See what happen when you grind on your own. Lil Tech, tell them we home. Ain't no more playing on the beat, eat it up like it's our last dinner till you home. Got butt, got wild, got drunk, and even know how to get back home. See what happen when you play with these little girls, then they just leave you all on your own. You cannot grind like that, girl, you gotta stay and come back home. Grind on your own, just grind on your own. Go grind on your own.